Hello everyone. Welcome to my new HTML tutorial. Before we start, I really need support, so please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you. Today, I will show you how to insert hyperlinks in HTML. You will learn how to insert link, how to open it in new tab, and how to open link which is related to our second page. To make a hyperlink in an HTML page, we will use the A element, which is the element used to define the links. Whatever text gets added inside this element will work as a hyperlink. We will add the URL for the link in the HTML attribute named ref. We will create this page. Let's start. First, I will create text. Click on the link. Now I will link word link. Creating the A element. Word link will be inside opened and closed A tag. Inside open A tag, I will add attribute ref equals some URL. For example, I want to open URL address https://www.youtube.com/@hangover-tutorials with M. Now I want text to start at the new line, so I will add BR tag. Let's make text. Click on the link to open it in new tab. The URL will be the same. And I will just add one more attribute. Its target attribute. I will set the value for this attribute to be _blank. This will open link in new tab. Let's preview all this. If I click on the first link, it will open URL address on the same page. Go back now. If I click on the second link, it will open URL address in the new tab. Let's continue now. We can also make local links. For example, I created other page named my second page with heading 1 element. So, I will create third link with ref value my second page.html. And I saved this page on the same directory like this one. Let's run the code. If I click on third link, it will open my second page. Great. Also, if we save the file in other folder, we must specify path to this file. For example, I saved my third page in folder My Pages. All I need to change is to add the name of the folder, / and the file name. Run the code. It works. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.